I'm wondering, how many of you are still using GrabPay Wallet to pay your merchants? Not only your hawker center stores, but also online, any kind of spend. I've seen so many people taking out their GrabPay card and paying at retail merchants. Hello, why are you all still using GrabPay? And I found out the reason why. Because Grab has been so ingrained into our lives, but please don't be so loyal to them. Because you think the nerf is over? I don't think so, because they just introduced a new round of nerfs. And it is definitely not wise to be loyal to any app. Because from the recent news, you can see that the Grab rewards have been adjusted again. From now onwards, only Grab service transactions will earn you up to 1.2% rewards in the Platinum tier. This means that only in-house Grab services like GrabRide, GrabFood, GrabExpress or GrabMart will earn you that 1.2% rewards, and that's only if you're a Platinum tier. Now maybe some of you don't understand this impact, but let me highlight to you. That means that if you are using GrabPay card for anything, even online merchants where they are using GrabPay as their partner, for example Geneco, Q10, Frasers Experience, Shopback Pay, or even Favepay, then you should stop doing it right now, because in the past you could earn 1.2% rewards on them, right? Now, even all these GrabPay partner merchants are not earning 1.2% anymore. They are going to earn a measly 0.3%. Do you know how Grab tries to sugarcoat it? They say that you can earn an additional 0.2% for PayLater. That means 0.5% rewards for PayLater instead of 0.3% for GrabPay now. So you see, it's a joke, right? 0.5% cut from the previous 1.2%. I mean, 1.2% is already bad. Now you still want to cut to 0.3 to 0.5%. What a freaking joke. So really, there's no point linking up GrabPay to any of your favorite merchants like Favepay, Shopback Pay, Geneco, Q10, all these, which are still GrabPay partners, you know. And yes, I know this is a very sad news for all you loyal Grab users, but you know what is the good news? It's coming from my sponsor. May is a special month because it is my birthday month, and it's also Weibo's 1-year anniversary in Singapore. Now, business as usual, if you deposit any amount, even $1, you can get 5 lucky spins. If you hold your deposit for at least 30 days, don't make any withdrawals, and each lucky spin, you can get shares from Tesla, Apple, Microsoft or Google. So with 5 lucky spins, you can get up to $500 worth of stocks. And for the current month of May, for every referral you make, you have one chance of winning $888. Every week they will choose one winner, and even the grand prize, there will be one lucky winner that walks away or drive away with a Tesla Model 3. So I don't know about you, but if I don't have a Weibo account right now, I will definitely use this chance to sign up, get up to 500 US stocks, and maybe got a chance to win the Tesla. So wait no more, use my referral link down below or scan the QR code right here to get your Weibo SG account today. 正所谓上有政策，下有对策。Now that you have clicked on this video, I cannot let you just walk away with this piece of news, right? I have to equip you with the skills and knowledge to help you tackle all this GrabPay nerf. As always, first I want to talk about Grab in-house service transactions. Okay, even though they are giving you 1.2%, but it's pathetic. There are so many credit cards that are giving you far better rewards, and one example is UOB One Visa credit card, which gives you up to 8.33%, because Grab is an ACB, additional cashback merchant, which means that if you earn the base 3.3% cashback, you get an additional 5% cashback just because it's an ACB merchant. But remember, you must fulfill the minimum spend requirements of $500, $1,000 or $2,000 every month. Now, if you think UOB One is too complicated like myself, then maybe you can look at other cashback cards which give you 5% cashback onwards, like DBS Live Fresh or UOB EVOL, and that can be used to clock your UOB One account spend. Then what if you're a mouse chaser? Of course, you can take a look at those cards like DBS Women's World Mastercard, Citi Rewards Mastercard, as well as HSBC Revolution Visa, which all awards 10x points or 4 miles per dollar for Grab transactions. Now I got your attention, right? Where do I get all these deals? Because I share all of them on my Telegram group at HoneyMoneySG with over 6,000 community members and experts helping you out on your credit card and best deals journey in Singapore. Next, let's talk about online shopping like your Q10, your Shopback and your Shopback Pay. Previously, you may be a gundu linking all these GrabPay to these apps because it's convenient, right? You don't have to key in your credit card details, but you have to realize that there's really not much incentive to use GrabPay now. So you need to use the best credit cards for such online online shopping and payment apps. For example, if you're a mouse chaser, then you will want to use DBS Women's World Mastercard, Citi Rewards Card, or HSBC Revolution to put into these apps like Q10, Shopback or Shopback Pay. All these will earn you 4 more per dollar definitely for online shopping transactions. Then if you are a cashback person, the same cashback cards apply, like DBS Live Fresh or UOB EVOL, giving you from 5% cashback onwards. How about Favepay then? Then Favepay is something more specific because not all cards will award Favepay transactions points or cashback. Now, one card I found is Citi Rewards Mastercard. So if you still do not have that card yet, please go and apply. Okay, Citi Rewards Mastercard linked to Favepay, 10x points or 4 more per dollar. Lastly, let's talk about Geneco, because Geneco is one of the last few electricity service providers which still accepts GrabPay. But now that GrabPay is only giving you 0.3%, there's no point, right? So my favorite card to pair with Geneco will be POSB Everyday Mastercard, because you see they highlighted it as utilities giving you 3% cashback with no minimum spend, and Geneco happened to be one of the eligible partners. So every month, let's say your electricity bill is $100, 3% cashback from Geneco will get you $3, which is better than nothing. I mean, it's better than using Grab, right? Grab is giving you 0.3%. 3% is like 10x the GrabPay payment rewards. So my conclusion is Grab is no longer the super app it used to be. And if you're still using Grab, please stop using and change your habits. Go to my group, learn of the best skills from the masters down there. Even the top-up rewards into GrabPay Wallet credit is already nerfed. And if you're still using GrabPay to pay your hawker centers, I can recommend you far better methods right here in my previous video on the best cards for hawker center stores.